Hi there, and welcome to Location Based Shorts, episode 8. This is about Dominoes trying robot deliveries, and they're planning to do it before the end of this year. What's the problem? Well, they have a shortage of drivers. Uber Eats and some of the other delivery companies are paying their drivers more, um, and that leads to a high staff turnover, and it takes a lot of time to train people, and there's risks to the quality of the service. So franchisees need to be able to deliver quickly in order to keep market share because there's so much competition. How are they going to solve the problem? Well, they're looking at a driverless robot car. They've been testing it with customers in Houston and they seem to like it. Some customers like the fact that they don't have to tip, so they know exactly what the cost is going to be. And some prefer not to have any human interaction at all, and they can do that with this system. Um, Customers and staff can see where vehicles are on a map so they can plan their deliveries and optimize their routing. And the first deliveries are going to be starting on a specific area that's already been approved in Houston this year. Given it's October already, that will be happening anytime. If you want to know more about the story, here's a bit.ly link to QRS magazine. And of course, if you're interested in location-based shorts, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. My handle's at Bluesbro, or bookmark the page where you saw this, and I'd love you to leave a comment. Thanks for listening and watching. Cheers. Have a great day.